Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a search bar to any section in your Shopify store. Visit shopify.com, click on login to log into your Shopify account. Now below says channels, click on online store. And next to your current theme, click on this black customize button. And now let's say that I want to add my search bar here between these two sections. What I need to do is to click on this little plus circle. Click on it just like that, add section. Now scroll down to custom liquid. Select your newly created or newly added section, just like that, and copy this code from my official website. I will attach this blog post URL in this video description. Now select this code like that from the start to the end, copy it, return to Shopify, and here below the or in the liquid code field, paste it just like that. Now don't forget to hit the save button. As you can see, my search bar is already added. Now to edit this padding above and below the search field, it's simple. Just locate padding and adjust it just like that. And you can, for the bottom, you can edit it like that. Hit the save button and let's give my new website a visit. If I scroll down, this is my new search bar in this section. If you want to edit this search field title, it's simple. Just to go back to this page, hit exit, and from this themes page, click on next to your current theme, click on these three dots and hit or select edit default theme content. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now search for the word search like that, and below search item, let's scroll down, search, checkout system search. I think I need to, I'm not sure which search word is responsible for this one, so I will add to here, and checkout order summary, checkout system, checkout shipping. I think it is the correct one, so I will save this change like that. And I will refresh this page. As you can see, now this is the correct one. So I will return to this page, look for search, and number 2, I will search it like that. And here, let's say I want to see what you are looking for. Let's save this change and refresh this page. And this is my new search field. And this is how to add a search bar in any section of your Shopify store. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.